What is up, guys? Britt Tech here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to enable type to Siri on iPhone 11 or any iPhone using iOS 13. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Go ahead and open up your settings, and then we're going to go ahead and scroll down to accessibility. And once you get there, go ahead and scroll down to Siri and let's select it. And as you can see, it's showing type to Siri at the top. Just go ahead and press that and it will enable type to Siri. And this will allow you to press and hold the button on the side and type to Siri instead of actually speaking to Siri. So you press that button and then you just type in whatever you want to, ask Siri into this little comment box right here. And then once you're done, you select done at the bottom and Siri will respond as such. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much how you do it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Listen.